Once upon a time, in a dense forest, lived a mighty but foolish lion. He was the king of the jungle and often bullied the other animals. One day, the animals gathered to find a way to stop the lion's tyranny. During their secret meeting, a clever rabbit came up with a plan to outsmart the lion. The animals agreed to send the rabbit to confront the lion. The next day, the rabbit approached the lion's den. "Why are you late?" roared the lion. The rabbit calmly replied, "Oh, mighty lion, I was on my way here when another lion stopped me, claiming to be the real king of this forest." Enraged, the lion demanded to be taken to this challenger. The clever rabbit led the lion to a deep well and said, "He is hiding inside this well." The lion looked into the well and saw his own reflection, thinking it was the other lion. In a fit of rage, the foolish lion jumped into the well to fight his rival. He quickly realized his mistake, but it was too late. The lion struggled and eventually drowned. The forest was finally free from the lion's tyranny. The animals celebrated the clever rabbit's bravery and wit, grateful for their newfound peace. And so, the clever rabbit taught us that wit and wisdom are mightier than brute strength. The animals lived happily ever after in their peaceful forest. Moral of the story: intelligence and cleverness can triumph over brute strength. Even the smallest and seemingly weakest can overcome the strongest through wisdom and cunning.